Why not? Because I had a row in the shop with a chicken machine. You got a row with the machine? Sort of. There and I shut it. You got cash? Let me come. You don't even know the stuff. You know, you're sitting there all morning. You don't even move since I left. But what happened about that case?
My farm.
The chariot driver. Not interested.
Forest adventure.
That's something.
Zero.
Of course. What? I was in bed. Well, you can be bothered to get up. It's password protected.
Zero.
Password protected daw.
One.
Get a joke, please.
One.
Listen, if you'd be able to lend me some, sure, if you're listening, that'd be great.
I need to go to the bank.
When you said we were going to the bank,
Sampai naman ko.
Bakit?
Magbibideo ko pa ibigay natin.
Sherlock Holmes, Sebastian. Nigel.
Bakit?
Paano
Pinatay.
manonood kung mahina?
Ayusin mo na. Tama na. Pati sinararangan sa kutsara.
Ano nangyari?
It's my friend, John. What is it? Okay. Little message.
May ikot yung cellphone mo na eh. Wait.
Ano ba ang ketchup work?
May ibabashoot ulit lang ha.
Walang tao.
Hindi umiikot na. Kaso ito yung dulas.
Ano ba ibig sabihin? May 0 5 ka.
Ano?
Try mo na.
Ay, ako?
Oo.
Akala ko si Sherlock yung tinatanong mo. Oo, meron ako. Oo, tao.
Kung anong ginagawa ni Sherlock.
Do you like eating fruit? Touch orange. Touch orange. Touch orange. Touch orange. Touch apple. Touch strawberry. Touch tomato. Strawberry.
Magkano para ito ha? Nagbigay ka na?
Wala. 100 pe?
Ha?
100 pe.
Ito?
So what do we do now? Can I wait for him to come back? Just do. Well, apart from you later. But it's just replace it. No, we're gonna go back.
Sino yung the house is Buster yun?
That's the main one. Isn't it?
Do you like eating fruit?
Actually, I
Touch.
just like eating.
Touch. Peaches. Touch. Here. Touch. Pineapple. Touch. Touch them. Pineapple. Touch. Touch. Touch.
Touch yung mother.
Touch. Peaches. Touch.
Nanggigigil ka dyan, anak. Oh,
Videos.
Door was locked from the inside, they could climb down the balcony. Give away 3 days. Jumping out of the way. Look at the case, there's some tiny
matalis na tayo.
He was waiting for the killer. His friend.
Yan na, oh. Isa pa tayo. Mo pa?
Hi, I'm Ruby. Hi, I'm. It's spelled R-U-B-Y. Ruby.
Maybe 9 o'clock at Scotland Yard. Aaron Oxford. We're right now. Information from us. You're going to Hong Kong again. That's fine, you're going to send you in, you're going to have to be there. You see it?
Master you.
You're going to kill him. You don't want to look at the bullet for yourself.
Bakit yung mga cellphone mo? Teka. Yung isa. Yung iPhone mo.
Ayos na museum na. May mga ganyan.
It's spelled R-U-Y.
May preservation sila.
May taga-ano ayos.
Meron naman tayo. Pag nagre-restore sila, minsan buwan inaabot.
Kahit sa kapagpunta nila, nawawala ng Chinatown, no?
Marami intak sa bumuno.
Sa US, meron din. London, meron din, oh.
Dito lang ata wala. Dito
Mami,
so.
dito.
Sa Korea din may Chinatown. Japan din.
Oo.
Pilipinas na.
Domo.
Dito sa tatlong to, ang maganda lang na picture. Yung 3 minutes, ang gulo, may pagod. Patingin na ng cake na ano ba?
I'm Lucas.
Yung pangalan na? Red Velvet?
S. Lucas.
Hindi mo type yung Red Velvet.
Ayan.
You have seen the ballistics reports. And the shot that killed him wasn't part of his own gun? No. So this investigation might move a bit quicker if you were to take my word as gospel. Just 5 minutes in his flat.
Asan ng bilog na ano? Ruta. Ang cherry pa.
Ayan.
Amazing!
Library.
Ano na? Apple.
Wonderful.
Masarap tong isang ano. Yung blue.
Yes, ano siya rin.
Okay, ano siya? Moist. Yung ano yun.
Yes. It's all computer generated electronic code, electronic cipher.